Hey guys, this is Tim at Tech Paintball, and I'm here today to actually show you how to install one of our Tech gun tags. Here we've got our Phenom, and we are actually going to go ahead and put our SWAT gun tag on it. Got a few tools that you're going to need. There are several different adhesives that you can use for this project. We've got liquid nails there. That's silicone-based adhesive. Also got a couple different forms of Gorilla Glue. This one being a more of a super glue kind of adhesive. This one being the standard Gorilla Glue. All these adhesives are going to give you varying levels of adhesion as far as keeping the plate in place and keeping it on your marker. You kind of have to ask yourself, do I want it more permanent, or do I want it where I can take it off? Maybe you've purchased, 2 or 3 gun tags and you want to be able to switch them out every once in a while. That's fine. I would recommend for that scenario using kind of a silicone base that you can get to that's pliable, whereas if you use something, say like Gorilla Glue, or even a varied type of super glue, it's going to really form an extremely hard bond, and it may be difficult to get off, but really we haven't encountered any yet that have been that difficult to get off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this Phenom up with the SWAT gun tag, and you guys can just kind of check out the install. It is very simple, very straightforward, but some people have asked for this, and we feel that you should at least have some kind of video instruction on how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and set my adhesives and stuff off to the side. Other things you might need, this is just a damped, moistened rag to clean off some of the adhesive under the plate. I also have got a piece of sandpaper, which I'm not really going to have to use for this install, but what you could do is if you are having trouble getting the plate to actually adhere, you can actually go ahead and sand the back of the plate to allow there to be a little bit more surface area for the adhesive to set up on. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the plate. I'm just going to use this little standard pick right there, put it down in the side, and there we go. It's just that easy. Pops right off. We'll go ahead and set that aside. Take our damp rag there, wipe it down, clean it off. Want to get all that old adhesive out. And then quite simply, for this one I'm going to go ahead and use the silicone based adhesive and just put a really thin bead down the back side. There we go. And as you guys can see, it doesn't really take much. And there we go. Got that on. Just want to push down. Maybe give it a quick wipe down. And you're done. You've got it put on. This is our SWAT tag. We've got them for the Phenom, the A5, the X7, 98, BTs, pretty much anything that has got a recess for the plate, we will be making a gun tag for. If you have any questions, obviously consult the website, www.techpaintball.com. Also check us out on Facebook, and we are also available on Twitter now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us. This is Tim at Tech Paintball. Thanks for watching.